Many people have never seen the ocean. Yet, no matter where each of us lives on planet Earth, we all depend on the health of the ocean in so many ways, such as recreation, jobs, medicine, shipping for goods, or simply for the wonder of ocean exploration and discoveries yet to be made. But we also depend on the ocean to absorb approximately 92 gigatons of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere every year. As humans have added more and more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, the oceans have responded by absorbing more and more carbon dioxide. The oceans have absorbed about half of the extra carbon dioxide released by humans into the air over the last 150 years. So, how do oceans absorb the carbon? Where do all the carbons go? If fossil fuel emissions continue to increase, can the ocean absorb the greater and greater amount of carbon dioxide released into the atmosphere? These are all the important questions that we will answer as we go through this
Moving to the main part of this video, which is the carbon cycle, and how we're going to find out how the carbon cycle works and how it relates to the pH of the ocean, which eventually causes the ocean acidification. Carbon dioxide gas from the atmosphere will dissolve in the ocean to react with the water molecules H2O to form weak carbonic acid H2CO3. Since it is an acid, so it will dissociate in the water H2CO3 to lose its hydrogen ion HCO-3 and hydrogen plus bicarbonate. This bicarbonate ion, it can loses its hydrogen again to finally form carbonate ions. These carbonate ions will then react with calcium ions Ca2 plus in the seawater to form CaCO3, which is the calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is required for shellfish organisms like the mussels, the shell, the crab. Okay, I don't know how to draw the crab. Maybe something like this. The prawn. Okay. This is also called the carbonate buffering system. Buffering protects the ocean from getting too acidic or too basic. So, if the pH of the ocean increases, the seawater becomes too basic, and it causes the weak carbonic acid H2CO3 to release its hydrogen plus, and the ocean will become stable. Conversely, if the pH of the ocean decreases, it will become too acidic, so bicarbonate ion will combine with H plus to form weak carbonic acid back. So this is how the carbon cycle.
Okay, now I'm gonna talk about impact of ocean acidification. Nowadays, there's a lot of CO2 in the atmosphere. Ocean, which have higher capacity, will absorb all of these CO2, and when it dissolves in water, the pH will drop, which means ocean acidity will increase. When it increases, such as it will eventually die due to loss their habitat. Now, there are no fish in the sea to catch, so the fishermen here, you can see here, the fishermen especially will lose their side income because there's no fish in the sea. When temperature increases until 38 degrees Celsius, the egg of turtle will become female. While when it drops until 26 degrees Celsius, the egg will become male. Okay, let us think about this. Okay, bila kita tebang pokok, akan ada banyak CO2 dekat atmosphere. Bila banyak CO2, temperature akan increase. Bila temperature increase, ocean acidification juga akan increase. Like what I said earlier, when ocean acidification increase, the animals inside the ocean will die, and the turtle might become female or male. If the temperature is keep going high, so in the future there will be female only, no male. so it cannot reproduce, and later on, this species will extinct. Will extinct. So, for the descent generation, they will no longer see this beautiful creature inside the sea. So, we as the current generation, what are we gonna do? If we just standing, looking and ignore it and continue cutting the tree, or what are we gonna do? So, let's think about this, guys.
There are 4 solutions to combat ocean acidification. First thing first, it requires reducing carbon dioxide emission by carpooling and improving the health of the ocean. Second, by creating more marine protected area and stopping destructive fishing practice. For example, bottom trawling by catch, the use of poison and explosive.
Okay.
Third, do plantation of tree, such as greenhouse effect. Fifth, lastly, by green belt around the industry.
All things are made up of carbon. Carbon is also a part of the ocean, air, and even rock. Because the earth is a dynamic place, the carbon does not stay still. The ocean play an important part in carbon cycle. The risings of carbon dioxide in the ocean will raise the concentration of hydrogen ion, which will cause ocean acidification. As we do not want this to happen, we have to treasure this mother nature before it is too late.